Me clean her up? Okay. I don't know how to hold dogs.
She lets you.
Hey.
She says, I got.
So is that one of those yips?
She says, I have my first handbag.
How do you hold a dog?
Under her belly.
Oh.
There you go. Do you like him? You like your cousin? Yes, I want my toy. That's my purse.